Caillou, do you want to watch the news?
Yeah. Let's watch it. Breaking news. Today, National Weather Service has discovered that a snowstorm is coming from Alaska, and it will come to Buffalo tomorrow. National Weather Service says that it will last for 2 days in Buffalo. The snowstorm will start at 4 a.m. So please do not go to work during 4 a.m. because highways will close to avoid accidents. You're advised to go to supermarkets or grocery stores to buy food, and go to a shelter at your house. Please make sure to have a battery-powered radio, because TV services can shut down. More details coming soon. Stay tuned for further information.
Oh no! A snowstorm coming to Buffalo. This can't be serious. I have enough food here at this house. Come on, Caillou, let's go to the basement.
Okay, Dad.
Okay. I brought a battery-powered radio, let's listen to it.
Breaking news. We have confirmed that National Weather Service gave us an important announcement from the snowstorm. The following cities are going to be hit by this snowstorm: Buffalo, Syracuse, Utica, and the upstate New York. Take cover now. Oh no! More places are going to be hit.
I know, Caillou. I think we better should go to sleep.
Z. Meanwhile outside, at 4 a.m. Oh no! The snowstorm has arrived. I think I should not go to work. Oh my god, it's freezing. We should better get inside. Oh wow, 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 wow. It's so cold. Oh no, Dad. I think the snowstorm has arrived.
Really? We should better take cover. Let's get the blankets and pillows right now. All right. I got the pillows. Let's hide.
Okay, Dad. 3 hours later.
I think I need some snacks.
Me too. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum. Millimeters. Let's drink some Coke too. Now let's hide until this storm ends.
At 2 a.m. in the second day.
Yay. We survived.
Dad. It's 2 a.m. and it won't stop until noon.
Let's watch some movies till noon. Get the DVDs.
Okay, Dad. At 1 p.m.
Yeah. We finally survived.
Oh yeah, Dad.